of the Lebanese port city of Sidon. 4 jets attacked the base early this morning over a pair of ships going to their target. No word on the number of casualties. This is their second air raid into Lebanon this year. The attack comes a day after Israel's Prime Minister rejected the latest U.S. Middle East peace plan. This vaccinator says the only acceptable part of Secretary of State George Shultz's letter is his signature. Meanwhile, in occupied territories, Palestinians are...
Once again, the Palestinians flashed the victory sign. This time, they had a reason. The weeks now organizers...
Síðan voru að skulda í Massbró mælitæki og það er hérna með banding frá Massbró. Já. Það er annað sem að ég veit ekki hvernig þið gerðið ekki. Það er úttaklega það bara dreifum áttakarlög hér á bókstæðinu. Ég gerði alltaf að ég skipta múla áttað lítið áttakarlög. Þess er bara með einfaldar áherslu og vistu í áttakarlög. Það er ekki sjálfvægna þetta er framlega vistu sem er á möðunar stóri að gera með. Það er það, ég er að við lesum þetta núna. Já, ég er líka að það er þessi mjög. Þú veit hvað alltaf? Þú tekur myndir? Var það gaman?
Ægilega gaman.
Já, þetta er nýjastu listi frá þér. Það var með gamla og einfalt gamla.
That's a WTN, Worldwide Television News.
Republicans planning to play 8 night games this year and 18 in following years. For some in the neighborhood of the ballpark, the referendum and not the presidential race is their primary concern.
I registered to vote on the referendum, not the president. The
The referendum is non-binding, but these proposed
They have been missing from the streets of San Francisco for more than a day. Back into service, much to the delight of residents and tourists alike. Now, the cable car, one travel agent said tourists have been avoiding the city.
We missed it for 2 years. We tried to sell people from San Francisco, many of them turned down.
The California Street Line is back in service. The rest of the cable car system is expected to be operating on June 21st after the $75 million restoration project has been completed. On this first day, passengers pack the car just to get a ride.
Very big transportation. I don't ride the buses, and I ride these every day. I think they're hard temples, so they should never go away.
Some cable car operators privately complain the system is being rushed into service, designed closed for the charge that the city officials deny. If there are evil spirits lurking within the system, Chinatown troops are out today to get rid of them. For the most part today, spirits were calm, even though more than one line is back in service. The city's 100-year-old institution has returned. Wonderful! Great to have it back! Ken Dunbar, ABC News, San Francisco.